We'll see about that. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the episode. Today we're having a crack at the breakfast challenge. Yeah, get it? Eggs, crack. Yeah. Half an hour to finish this sucker, and if you can, it's free. You get a t-shirt and a spot on that wall of fame over there. Eggs are perfect. Sausages. These are like English-style sausages. I was expecting sausage patties. Yeah, not entirely common to find the humble sausage link on an American breakfast. I have to say, though, as an Englishman, I approve without equivocation. What do you reckon? Is he starting to question the courage of his initial conviction? He looks a little bit like that fella from that TV show where people bring in antique clocks and stuff. Pawn shop, maybe? I don't know. It's something like that. I've done that thing again where I drink extra liquid instead of drinking the mandatory liquid. Let's get some syrup on there. Yeah, let's get it all over the place. Too much syrup? Nah. No such thing. Yeah, if I've learned one thing over this illustrious yet embarrassing career, it's that you don't want to hold back on the syrup with a breakfast like this. You're not wrong.
Syrup on the fry, home fries.
I know syrup on home fries is not traditional, but
Yeah.
there are a lot of home fries. I need all the help I can get. Not really. I probably shouldn't leave pancakes to last. That would be one way to strategize. There's so many home fries. No? I don't want to have to finish on these. You okay? I'm sorry, I shouldn't laugh. It's not the poor lady almost falling over, it's more the completely futile way in which I asked if she was alright.